Hello everyone, I'm Siad Malim from SOMA Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to add matrices. In order to add matrices, there are several things that you need to consider first. You have to consider the order of the matrices. And what I mean by that order of matrices is the size of each matrix you want to add. The size of each matrix. For example, matrices A has a size of, when you're looking for its size, you just count the number of rows and the number of columns of that matrices. So it has how many rows? It has 2 rows and 2 columns. So the order of these matrices, the order of A is equal to 2 by 2. Next, you have to also find the order of B. So similarly, order of B is, it has 2 rows and 2 columns. So one of the things that you have to know, or the reason why you have to know this, is because in order to add two matrices A and B, their order must be the same. Order of both matrices must be the same. Okay? What I mean by that is that if one is 2 by 2, the other one must be also 2 by 2. And then that is when you can add the two matrices together. Okay, let's do an example here. We have A, matrices A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and matrices B is 5, 6, 7, and 8. These are just numbers, okay? So in order for me to add A plus B, the first step is to know the order of the matrices. So this is, it has 2 rows, 1, 2, and 2 columns. 2 rows, 1, 2, and then 2 columns, 1, 2, okay? So similarly, B has 1, 2 as rows, and then 1, 2. So it is 2 by 2 here, and this is 2 by 2. So in order to add A plus B, what you have to do is you have to add each element of each corresponding element of the matrices. So you will add 1 with 5, and then 2 with 6, and then 3 with 7, 4 with 8. So the first element in the first row of matrices A is added to the first element in the first row of matrices B. So that is equal to 1 plus 5, and then the second element in the first row is 2 plus 6. The other matrices will be 3 plus 7, and the next one is 4 plus 8. So what this will give me is 6, 8, 10, and then 12. So that will be your answer for these matrices. So just to summarize, you have to have the order of both matrices to be the same in order for this addition to happen. Okay, let's do another example. Next example, I have matrices C as 7, -1, -5, 3. That is matrix C. And then matrix D is -4, 3, 10, and 12. In order for me to add these two matrices, C plus D, what I have to do is that I have to know the order of both matrices. What is the order of this one? It has 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is 2 by 2. This also has 2 rows and 2 columns. This is also 2 by 2. So because the orders are the same, now I can proceed ahead and add the 2. Okay. So, and how do I add? Each corresponding elements must be added. So 7 plus -4 is this, and this are the corresponding elements. Okay, the next one is -1 plus 3. So that is the second element in the first row is added to the second element in the first row of matrices D. So that is -1 plus 3. The next one is -5 plus the corresponding element is 10. So the next one is 3 plus 2, which gives me this matrices. 7 plus -4 is 3, -1 plus 3 is 2, -5 plus 10 is 5, 3 plus 2 is also 5. So this will be your answer for these matrices. Let's do one final one. Say that I have a matrix E is equal to 3, -1, 2, 4, 5, and 7 as the first matrices. And F is equal to -2, 4, 7. The second row 6, 1, and 2. So I need to add E plus F. In order to add these two, I have to first find or identify the order of the two matrices. Are they the same? So what is the order of the first one? The order is it has 2 rows. That is 1 row. That's 1 row, and this is the second row. But how many columns? 1 column, 1, 2, 3. So it has 2 by 3 is the order of that one. The second one, what is the order also? So it has 2 rows, but it has also 3 columns. So it is 2 by 3. Because they are the same, now I can add. I can proceed ahead and add the two matrices together. Okay. So E plus F is equal to add the corresponding element like we did in the previous example. So 3, its corresponding element is 2. 3 plus -2, that is the first element. The second element is -1. I hope you can see this. -1 plus 4. The next one, the third one, is 2 plus 7. The second row is 4 plus 6. Those two are corresponding, the one here and this one here. So the next one is 5 plus 1. And lastly, 7 plus 2. Okay, so let's simplify this. 3 plus -2 is 1. -1 plus 4 is 3. 2 plus 7 is 9. 4 plus 6 10. 1 plus 5 is 6. And this is also 9. And so that is your final answer. I hope this was helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe. Until then, happy learning.